Hi, so today what we're making is watermelon sorbet. It's a very easy recipe. We know you guys are going to like it. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for our recipe for watermelon sorbet. Hi, welcome to our channel. We appreciate you guys watching. So in this edition of Cooking in the Kitchen, we are making a healthy vegan watermelon dessert. So it's vegan and gluten-free. So we wanted to make a sorbet. So this is going to be like our sorbet of the watermelon. So we didn't want to put a bunch of sugar in there. So here is what we're going to use. So we're going to use the watermelon. We're going to use bananas. We're going to use lime. And we are going to use the organic pancake syrup there. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to slice the bananas, and then I'm going to slice the watermelon because we need 6 cups of watermelon and 1.5 cups of banana, and then we have to freeze that. So we're going to go ahead and cut that, and then we'll be right back. Okay, so we're ready to slice our bananas. So we're just slicing them, and we need 1.5 cups of bananas. So this is probably going to be the replacement of our sugar. I'm pretty sure it's probably what we're going to do. We're just going to slice 2 of these, and that's probably going to be 1.5 cups. So let me get a spoon. Let's just kind of put this in here. So we have a cup right here. So this is going to be 2 bananas. Looks like it's going to be about a cup. We're just going to put it in a plastic baggie here, and then once we're done with everything, we'll put it in the freezer. So let's see if we can get another banana, maybe cut another banana. Okay, so here I had a frozen banana when I froze some strawberries, and we're just going to slice that. So that's probably going to be the rest of our 1/2 cup. Okay, then we're just going to put that in the bag. And then now we're going to slice our watermelon. But I'm going to wash this off, so, and then we come back and slice the watermelon. So we have that sliced up. Okay, so we're back and we have our watermelon. And if you've seen any of our other videos, we have a video about slicing and picking a watermelon. Okay, so always be careful with when slicing your melon. Make sure if you have any seeds in there that you take the little seeds out. This is a seedless watermelon, but of course there's some seeds in there. Okay, so this is a cup. So that's one. We need 6 of those. Another one. I think this is probably 3. That's 4. I don't know if that was 5 and this is 6. I lost track. So if there's a little bit extra, it's okay. So we're going to take some of our juice and set this right here. And we're just going to pour this juice in here. Okay, then we're going to take this and put it in the freezer and let it freeze. And we're not going to put the lime in, we're going to put the lime in the refrigerator. So we're going to put this in the freezer. So we're going to let that freeze, and then we are going to come back and finish. It's supposed to freeze for 3 to 4 hours. So we'll see if it's frozen by then and we can finish it this evening. If not, we're going to have to finish it tomorrow, but we will be back. Okay, so we have our frozen fruit right here that we froze for about 4 hours in the refrigerator. So we are going to put it in the blender and continue with our recipe, and then we'll freeze it overnight, and then we'll come back and let you guys know what happened. So we are going to take the frozen fruit and we're just going to empty it into the blender. Okay, and then it says that we can use 1/2 of a lime. So we're going to go ahead and squeeze some lime juice in here. Oops. Okay, let me show you squeezing some lime in here. We usually cut our limes up and we usually have them in water or something like that. So I'm just using about what I think is about 1/2 of a lime. Okay. And then it says a tablespoon of syrup. And so I'm just going to use, just kind of gauge it like that. And this is organic, wholesome syrup. Then we're going to get the lid and shake this down in there a little bit. And put the lid on, close it, and then we are going to blend this up. Turn the power on and So there's the consistency of it, and what we're going to do is take it in a little container here, and then we are going to put the camera down here. We're going to pour this into our container. Okay, let all that go. And then we are going to, so this is what we have, and we're going to put this back in the freezer overnight and let it freeze, and then we will show you guys what it looks like tomorrow. Okay, so we're going to close up shop for tonight. Let me kind of scroll in. Well, let me take the lid off so I can get me a good picture. And then maybe go in. Another picture. And we will be back tomorrow to finish out the video. This was very simple, very easy, very quick. So let's hope it turns out good. I won't even taste it until tomorrow. So good night. See you guys in the morning. Okay, so we're back from last night, and we have our watermelon sorbet. And as you can see, it was frozen. So see, there's the rest of it. So we are going to test it out today and see what it looks like, what it tastes like. It's kind of going in there pretty easy. I don't have a scoop, but I'm just going to do it like this because it looks like it's coming out pretty easy. I'm going to just go ahead and taste it a little bit, little piece. Tastes good and healthy. Okay, so there you are. That's our vegan watermelon sorbet. It's not made with any sugars. It was very easy to make, and it tastes good. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and let me know if you guys try it out and what you thought of it. Thank you.